Testing locally or on a development server is key to making sure your software stays maintained and reliable. Today, we're going to be talking about the Rinkeby Testnet deprecation and what that means to you as a developer. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Calvin and this is Alchemy, where we're bringing blockchain to 1 billion people. Remember to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to stay notified. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain that runs on these protocols called smart contracts. And these smart contracts are what developers use to build. And as every software engineer or software developer knows, before we push code out to the public, we need to have these development servers or development environments where we can build and test on. So how does that work on a blockchain? Well, if you think about it, we have the mainnet, which is like the production branch that's out in the public. And then we have testnets. Testnets are the development environment. Testnets are forked from the mainnet and are validated on a consensus called proof of authority. So that means the network is validated by approved accounts known as validators. And since it doesn't require mining or staking, you don't need to use real money. So what is happening and how do we prepare for it? Well, as the title reads, the Rinkeby Testnet is being deprecated. And that means it will no longer be updated. It still exists, it just won't be updated with the mainnet. So if you were to build an application and keep it on Rinkeby to test, you'll find some behaviors on there that won't reflect on the mainnet and vice versa. So generally speaking, if things are deprecated, good practice is to move away from it. But no need to worry, because Rinkeby isn't the only testnet out there. We have Ropsten, Goerli and Sepolia. And I don't know why these are pronounced so weird, but I believe they were named after train stations. But if I'm wrong, definitely correct me in the comments below. So I have a quote here by Tim Bako, hope I pronounced his name correctly, and he's a developer engineer at the Ethereum team. So the quote reads, Rinkeby has a small validator set, only Geth team, long history, and is generally a pain to maintain. Starting fresh with Sepolia makes it a bit easier. So now we have a reason why the Rinkeby testnet is going bye-bye. And to prepare for this, we'd want to move off of Rinkeby. So if your application is using Rinkeby to test, we want to move towards either Goerli or Sepolia. According to Tim Bako, these are the two testnets that will be prioritized. Goerli is made more for your application developer, and Sepolia is made more for client node devs. You know which one you fall under, so pick the appropriate one and switch it. Hope you learned something new today, and this video helped you stay up to date with the current blockchain news. So to run it back, the Rinkeby testnet is being deprecated, and you want to move towards Goerli or Sepolia depending on what type of application you are building. Remember to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to stay updated. I'll see you at the next one.